Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have an Eid makeup tutorial for you guys on this beautiful soft glam makeup look. In today's video, I'll also be reviewing and testing out the new Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. This is their Disco Drip palette. It has so many fun shades in here as well as some gorgeous neutrals. So if you guys are interested in seeing me try this product out, share my honest thoughts, and show you guys how I got this beautiful makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, we're gonna get started with skin prep. The first thing I'm doing is going in with some moisturizer. I have here the Skin Proud Sorbet Skin. Next up, I'm going in with some primer. I have here the Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore-Smooth Blur Drops. Next up, I'm going in with some lip plumping gloss just to add some life back into my lips. This is the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. This stuff also gives really nice moisture to the lips as well. It's a really nice product to use just to prep the lips and get it ready for lipstick. Next up, I'm going to color correct with my e.l.f. color corrector. This is just going to help me correct the imperfections on my face, such as the hyperpigmentation, as well as any acne scarring. Next up, I want to go in with foundation. I have here the Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation. I believe this is their new packaging. I'm actually not sure if the formula changed at all. Like, this is my first time trying the new bottle, so let's give it a try. And I'm in the shade Light Beige. Not sure if this is because it's a new bottle or if they actually changed the formula because I haven't looked into it, but this product feels like it has a lot of hydration compared to the other one that I used to use. I have here the Disco Drip palette by Violet Voss. I'm super excited to be trying this out and creating a soft glam look for you guys. I absolutely love Violet Voss and I've reviewed a lot of their eyeshadow palettes, so if you guys want to check those videos out, I'll have them linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. We're going to start with the shade POV. Although this shade isn't a matte, it's a shimmer, we're going to go in and add this into the crease and wow. Okay, that is absolutely beautiful. I'm actually gonna drag this color down and apply it all over the lid. I love that I didn't even have to cut the crease and the color is popping. It honestly looks like such a beautiful glowy shade. I would love this as a highlight. I thought I could use it in the crease, but it's too much of a shimmer, so we're gonna actually add this onto the lid. It's appearing a lot lighter than it does on the pan, which is why I had to switch gears. I need to add some sort of a neutral in the crease, so I'm just grabbing any eyeshadow palette in my collection. Just grab whatever you have. This is a Too Faced eyeshadow palette from a long time ago. It's one of their holiday collection palettes, and I'm just gonna grab a neutral from here. I'm gonna grab What a Batch, and I'm just gonna dust that into the crease. You can also use a bronzer shade or a contour shade, just something that's going to give you a nice shadow in the crease and add definition. I am seeing just a little bit of fallout under this eye, but that's okay. We will clean it up. It's going to be fine. So I'm going to go back in with POV and I'm just going to reapply that with my finger just because I feel like the color disappeared a little bit. I'm going in with Vibe Check and I'm just going to add that onto the outer portion of the lid. This is such a pretty gold. Next up, I'm going in with If You Know, You Know, and I'm going to add this color onto the outer portion of the lid. And I'm going to drag it onto the crease just a little bit. This color has really nice pigment. Going back in with my neutral shade, What a Batch from my Too Faced palette, and just diffusing out the crease a little bit more so it's not so harsh. We're going to take a break from the eyes and I just want to clean up the under eyes. I'm just going to dust away all the fallout. Just going to add a little bit more foundation under the eyes. Going to go ahead and contour with the Mischo Beauty contour stick. I'm gonna go in with some blush. I have here the Milani Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush in the shade Rose Romance. I'm just gonna take the color on the back of my hand and I'm just going to blend it out and then use my beauty sponge and just take the product and dab it into the face. I just feel like the color goes on a lot more seamlessly this way and I don't have to worry about blending it out so much. I'm gonna go in with a lot of blush, and you're gonna see I'm gonna look a little bit ridiculous, but when I go in with my concealer, it's all going to tone itself down and it's gonna look really pretty. For concealer, I'm going in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is my absolute favorite concealer of all time. And I'm going to use the concealer just to clean up the eyeshadow as well. And with whatever excess product I have, I'm just going to clean up the cheeks as well. I'm going to take off the plumping gloss because it's all done doing its thing. Gonna brush away the setting powder because it's all done doing its thing. Gonna quickly brush through my brows with the Benefit Give Me Brow. We're gonna jump back into the eyes. I wanna play with some color just because this is an Eid look and it's a party look. You wanna have fun, and I can't help myself when I see these beautiful colors. I need to dip into them. I think I wanna go in with the shade Gatekeep. It's like a beautiful purple. It's gonna go so nicely with the purple on my hijab, and I think I wanna add it to the lower lash line. Going in with a flat brush, I'm just going to dust that color onto the outer portion of the lower lash line. I'm obsessed. This looks so pretty. I'm gonna take the lighter purple, which is Funky Fusion, and I'm gonna add that onto the inner portion of the lower lash line. I'm quickly lining my eyes with the Chula Beauty black eyeliner. Alright you guys, so I quickly went off camera and I wrapped up the eyes. I went in with some lashes. I went in with the Kiss Ritzy lashes. This is my first time using them and I actually really like them. I had a multi-pack which is basically almost done, and so I just grabbed it from there, and honestly I think it looks great. I love Kiss lashes. They're really comfortable on the eyes, they're lightweight, and they're just gorgeous and super affordable as well. I went in with some mascara real quick. I went in with my favorite Too Faced mascara. I'm going in with some highlight. This is the Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby. I absolutely love this highlight. It's one of my favorites. Gonna add some on the nose and a little bit on the Cupid's bow. Gonna add a little bit on the inner corners as well, just for a pop. Gonna line my lips with the ColourPop Lippie Pencil in CTRL. And for lipstick, we're going in with a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. This is the shade Supermodel. Lastly, I'm going to lock everything in place with the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's Eid makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I do want to share my final thoughts on this palette. Although I didn't use all the shades I did use were honestly pretty good. I think the shimmers are absolutely beautiful. There is good pigment, but I do think there are better eyeshadow palettes out there with better shimmer pigments. You guys can see on my lids, it's like a subtle shimmer. Even on the pan, it's a subtle shimmer. It's not high shimmer, so I think it does perform well for what it looks like on the pan. The matte shade is absolutely beautiful. I wish there was more matte shades to work with, but if you're someone like me and you have a lot of makeup, you have a lot of palettes, just dip into another palette or even use your bronzer shade or contour shade to add some mattes into your look and add definition to your look. I'm definitely going to use this palette again. I want to dip into these fun colors, especially with spring and summer approaching, so stay tuned. I will be using this palette again. I hope you guys enjoyed this Eid makeup look. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and let me know if you want to see some more looks. We do have a couple more weeks till Eid, so I can definitely share some more looks with you guys. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.